In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation. So here we've got back button, home screen button, and recent icon buttons. And if you would like to change it to gesture navigation, just open the settings, then find and select display, scroll down, and click on navigation bar. Here you can customize button order if you want to change it. But also you can smoothly activate gesture navigation by tapping on full screen gestures, and as you can see, it has been applied. Also you can customize it by tapping on more options, and you can activate swipe from button with three options, three areas, but let me show you the default options. So right now you can slide right or left to go back, slide up to go to the home screen, and if you hold it for a while you will be able to see all recent apps. But if you would like to activate this three areas gesture navigation, let me go back just to the navigation bar. If you would like to activate this swipe from button with three swipes, you can smoothly swipe up in the middle to go back to your home screen, then here to go back, and here to see recent items. And this is it, that will be all. Just apply the one that you like the most. Actually, I will pick this one, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.